turbo.
That's a 993, right?
Yeah.
Oof.
993.
Man.
Got turbo S over here. Paint sample.
This color is
Yes.
fire.
It's crazy.
What's
right?
what's that called?
That's a purple. That's the Viola.
Viola.
Metallic.
Viola metallic. Wow. This color is given.
Yeah, Viola purple metallic. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. This is also paint sample in this one.
That's not shark blue?
It's I believe it is, but in that year it was paint
2022.
sample. Oh no, it's club blue.
Club blue.
Club blue.
Okay.
Very similar.
It's a lot of
A
cars.
lot of cars in here. There's a Targa GTS over there. Oh, I actually have a couple of crazy cars.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah. The slant nose 911 over there.
Is that what Ferrari is that?
It's a slant nose. That's a 911.
Oh, that's a 911.
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's crazy, right?
That is, I've never seen one of these.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. And you guys are selling this?
It's a customer vehicle.
Oh, that's a customer vehicle.
Yeah, we have it here because we do classic. We service all the classic cars here as well.
Mm-hmm. Ooh. Oh yeah. This is nice.
Nice.
Wow. And it smells so good.
Right? Classic. Over here.
Oh, Carrera.
I have something better than that too, though.
What?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. I mean,
You have something better than the CGT?
once you see, take a look at this, and then I'll show you a couple more.
That's the first time I see a Carrera GT in my entire life.
Have you ever seen a 918 Spider?
No.
Follow me.
Oh, no way. You got one of the Holy Grail, Holy Trinity?
Yeah.
Man, I'm coming there.
Yeah. This is stuff
Wow. Well, it is New York. So,
we have this area specifically is like one of the highest wealth areas in the country.
makes sense.
They call it. You ever seen the movie Wolf of Wall Street?
Yeah.
So the guy who was the Wolf of Wall Street lived right over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
There's this famous YouTuber called Doug DeMuro. He has one of these.
Yeah, Doug DeMuro. He used to work for Porsche as well.
Yep, exactly.
But he was on the corporate side of it.
Yeah.
Things. But yeah.
Man, this is a legendary car.
Yeah.
Another one, 993 yellow. And that's a Spider with a white side.
Yeah. It's insane.
Man. Yeah. This is crazy right here.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God. Man. That's also a customer's car?
This is Porsche's car. They were filming a movie. They shipped this car here from Germany.
Oh, they're filming a movie? What movie?
Yeah, they didn't tell us. But this is like months ago, and we've been storing the car for them here. So it's actually from Porsche. They shipped it on a ship straight from Germany just for this movie.
You guys did not put it on the supercharger?
They have.
Oh, there's a different version for this?
on
Okay.
one.
No, this is crazy. I don't think there's anything that's gonna top that.
That's the whole thing. That's it. This is nice too. A nice GT3.
Yeah.
But yeah, that.
I mean, I've seen a lot of these. You know, when I go to like car mates, you see a bunch of
Yeah.
these. You know, but that right there, never.
Yeah, no, that's another level.
I've never seen. So now there's two more to see: the P1 and the LaFerrari.
That's it, right? I've seen LaFerraris in the wild, just driving around here. It's crazy.
Wow, that is crazy.
Yeah. And this building is the same owner as next door, which is Lamborghini, Bentley, and Rolls Royce.
Oh, okay. So you can just walk in. Oh, hey. Oh, GT4 RS.
It's called. They're pretty cool.
This color is, yeah.
Paint the sample. $15,000 just for that paint.
Just for that paint.
Just for that paint.
Wow. And I like the decal too.
Yeah.
Oh, the decal is even on the.
It's a heritage car, so it's a numbered car. They only made a certain amount of them.
Spirit 70.
It's the numbers. Watch, I'll show you here. If you look on the. They'll tell you in the front what number it is.
Man. Wow.
Sick. This is number 615 out of 1500. So worldwide they only made 1500.
And how many came to the US?
US, I would probably say close to maybe close to 1,000, I would say, or more, a little, or just under.
We got a majority.
We have the biggest market now. It used to be China. China was the biggest market, and
oh, yeah, casually parked there.
yeah.
Oh, this is where you guys do the service?
The PPF.
Oh, PPF.
All the paint protection film for the cars. Yeah.
What's that over there?
That's a special car right there. So that's a ST 911.
Oh, ST. Yeah.
So, but the owner bought it and he's just keeping it here. He was going to drive it because it's worth. So the car sticker was like 300,000. It's really worth now like 700 because it's
it's So the guy is just.
He's just keeping it.
Yeah, well,
keeping it there. He's like, when I need it, I'll use it. But yeah, we have a huge inventory. As you can see, we have a lot of cars.
Man. How do you? So let's say you need to like take that last car out there, like
move cars all over.
It becomes a nightmare.
We have the valet guys they're professionals now at this. That they move the cars from certain angles. I'd have too much anxiety.
Yeah, that would be. Even just parking, like I see how you park that 918 so close.
So close to the wall. Yeah.
I could not do that.
I know. I'd be too scared. I'd be like, oh my god, it'd be too much. Your car's gonna hold good value.
Yes.
Because of manual.
Manual. Now we're going to see my car.
People are going crazy.
I'm excited. Oh man, I'm excited. Out of excitement, I actually forgot to take the mic. So I'm using a media mode mic, so I'm not sure how the sound is going to come out of here. Ooh.
Tell me that doesn't look amazing.
Ooh, look at it.
Yeah, show the car.
Look at it.
Somebody just walked in.
Oh, they did?
No, it's okay. I just have to say hello at the door.
Okay.
Look at the car. Give me 2 minutes.
Look at that. It's beautiful. I love the 991 generation too, so to me it's like...
Oh my God.
It's clean.
Oh my God. Ooh, this is so sweet.
This is sick. That's sick.
Oh. This is my 911, man. Since I was a child, I wanted a 911. Oh, I have one now.
And you got a nice one, I'm telling you. You got a
Oh, look at it.
Look at that interior.
God red.
Deviated stitching in red.
Look at that. Oh my God. And I'm driving this home today.
You're gonna have a fun ride home, I'll tell you that. You're gonna enjoy it.
Oh my God.
And the best part is you don't have to worry about nothing. The car's PPF.
Yeah.
That's the best part.
What's that?
I think it's probably from the from the PPF itself, from the film.
Oh my God. Guys, you don't realize this is crazy. This is crazy. And I never thought that this day will arrive in my life. Working hard pays off. Man, look. Oh shit, this is so beautiful. Oh man. You know what? Let me not act a fool. Fast forward one more day, I've made it home safely. The dealership in New York to my place took about 5 hours drive. I wanted to do it, really enjoy the car, get to know a little bit of the car, and That's exactly what I did, and it was a very, very wonderful ride. Now she's home, parked to her little sister or brother, however you want to call it, the Cayman over there. And I'm so, so, so happy about this new journey that I'm going to start with this new 911. So I'll have to sell probably this car or the next car that is outside, one of the two, because I cannot have 3 sports cars. That's kind of too much. So you guys tell me what I should sell. I'm going to make another video where I'm going to go into really details about this car. Also make another video about the garage update, because there's a lot of things that have changed in the garage and you guys are just not aware of it. And I'm going to show you on one of the next few videos. I'm going to shoot really a garage update, because yes, if you see these wheels, this is for the car, special car that's parked outside. That was literally parked here, that I've actually had for a year now, and I just did not reveal it to you guys. So I will do a garage update, but until then, you get to enjoy Skittle. The Skittle will make more sense when I show you what's outside. So thank you again, guys. Thank you. I'm very grateful that I was able to really achieve my dream, get my dream car. Both cars together, man, that's a very nice combination. So on this note, see you on the next video, guys. Stay safe.